Alright, so as you can see, I am on my laptop screen, and let me tell you, I am using Windows 10 on my laptop, and the version of MS Office is 2010. Okay, so but I will click on Start, and then I'll locate Microsoft Office, under which I will find out Microsoft Word 2010. So click on that, and the document is going to open up for you. Here, this is the interface of Microsoft Word. But here I want to focus on all the elements which are kept here on the interface of Word, so that you can be absolutely clear about what is known. I mean, what are the names given to these bars and ribbons, and you should actually be aware of all these aspects so that you can work nicely in this software. So let's begin. The top title is basically the title bar, where you can see document 2 hyphen Microsoft Word written. This is known as the title bar of Microsoft Word document, which contains the name of the present document. Okay, like this is the document, and the default name given to this document is document 2. All right, so I mean, it is going to have these kind of name until and unless you go and save it with the desired name. Okay, so this is the title bar, and title bar has got two more parts to it. On the top left side you will see, okay, I hope you can see this. There is this small bar which is known as the quick access toolbar. Quick access itself tells you that it contains those commands, those options which are readily used by the user. I mean, which are quite often used by the user. Basically, see, there are many options available in Word, but they are kept in a systematic manner. So many times you want to just go and do your work as fast as possible. In that case, you don't want to search here and there for the options. So those options can be kept under this quick access toolbar. I will tell you later on how you can modify this quick access toolbar and keep the commands which are needed by you. Okay. Right. So after this quick access toolbar, let us move towards this right hand side, which contains the Windows control buttons. Okay. The name is Windows control button, which is basically the collection of three buttons: minimize, maximize or restore, and the third is the close. Okay, so there are three buttons here. Three commands are actually happening with these three buttons. First is the minimize. When you click on minimize, your document will get minimized into the status bar. And when you see, this is the restore down. Restore oblique maximize means when your document is having the full screen size, then it is going to show you restore down. Means when I click on restore, you can see that it is going to reduce in the size. When it is already reduced, it will show you the maximize option. Okay, that's why I said restore oblique maximize. When the document is full screen, the option will be shown as restore. When the document is squeezed, it is small in size, the option shown will be maximize. And the last one is of course the close button. When you close, when you click this close button, your document will get closed. Let us try doing it because I have already one more document here. Okay, so let me close this document, and here we go, our document is closed. Right, so now I have opened document number 1, and after this title bar we have got this file, home, insert, page layout, references, mailings, review and view. Now what are these? These are the ribbons. Okay, and these tabs are known as the ribbon tabs. Like as you can see, we have clicked this home tab. The default tab which is opened is home tab. Whenever you open Microsoft Word, you always get to see the home tab. Then you can click on this insert ribbon tab. Okay, you can click on this page layout. Same way, you can just click on each of these ribbon tab and all the related options, all the related commands will appear in front of you. Now let us discuss what is this funda of ribbon, tabs and ribbon. Basically, Microsoft Word has kept all the related commands under one place. Okay, so that all the related commands are easy to find, and they are given a specific name which clearly defines the the work. Okay, like all the things related to insert are kept under the insert ribbon tab. When you click on the insert ribbon tab, all the all the options related to insertion are displayed in front of you in the form of a ribbon. They are very neatly placed, okay, so that you can view their small icons. Okay, you can even read their description when you hover over these options one by one like this. Okay, so the tool tip is going to come, which is going to explain what is the purpose of the particular tool which you are putting your mouse over, right? So this is the ribbon and the ribbon tab. Ribbon tab means the name of these menus basically. Earlier they used to be called menu bars. Now they are called the ribbon tabs. Okay. Now after this ribbon tabs, let us talk about file, which is a very important feature here. When you click on this file menu, you are being directed to the backstage view. Like right now you are on the front stage, and if you click on file, you are transferred to this backstage view, which has all the options related to save as, open, close, info, recent, new, print, save and send, help, options and exit. We will look into all these options one by one in the upcoming video. Okay, so right now I'm just explaining you what options are kept under this file. Now let us quickly move back into the home tab. Okay, now after this, let us look at this. This is the ruler. Okay, this is the ruler. It is just like a scale which tells you how much space is being occupied by your document. Okay, it is very useful when you print your document. This is the horizontal ruler and this is the vertical ruler. We will talk about these ruler when we are going to discuss about the print. Okay, how do we print the document? Now let us look into the scroll bars. This is the vertical scroll bar. You can just go down like this, or you can use these scroll bars also. Okay, these are going to take you up one by one, right? With each mouse click, you are going to move up or you are going to move down with the help of this. Okay, this is the vertical scroll bar, and you are also given the horizontal scroll bar when your document becomes larger. Okay, now let us look into the status bar. Please look here at the bottom where you can see page 1 of 1, word 0, track changes off, no macros. Okay, so the status bar is a very important bar which tells you about the main, I would say the main components, main operations which are being carried out over your document. It's very useful. Okay, like it is going to show you how many pages are there in your document, how many words are there. You can even turn on how many letters or sentences. You can track the changes and it will be displayed here. Okay, that I'm going to tell you how you turn on these options and how you can turn them off also. Look at this right side of your status bar. Here you will see some of these small icons which are nothing but the views of Microsoft Word document. Now views, when I say views, It is not the Instagram views. It is the different way of displaying your Word document. Okay, so the Word document can be shown in a different way, which can be suitable to a specific, work, right? Well, we will discuss about these when we will talk about the views and their advantages. Okay, so by the way, you can just see their names. This is the print layout view, which is the default view. Then we have the full screen view, web layout view, outline view, and drafts view. Okay, just after the views, you can see that there is a slider and there is this 100% written here. Then you have this minus sign, there is this arrow, okay, some pointer kind of a thing. Then you have this plus sign. So basically this is the zoom slider and this is the zoom percentage, which tells you the zoom level of your document. When I click on this minus, my document gets zoomed out. Okay, so it gets reduced in size. When I click on this plus sign, my document gets magnified. Okay, so ideal is the 100%. Okay, you can work pretty well over the 100%. So try to keep your document as 100% zoom level only. You can even use this this pointer to move directly to the desired size, whichever you want. Okay, like I want it to be 100%. So that's how you can just use your zoom in, zoom out. The next, this insertion point, can you see this blinking line over your document? This blinking line is basically the insertion point, which tells you that when you will use your keyboard to type something, that text will appear here only. Okay, it will go from this point towards the right side. Like I can write down A, B, C, D. Okay, like this. I can use the backspace to delete it, to erase it. Okay, so that's the insertion point or the flashing line over your document. And the last concept here is the work area. Now, what is the work area? This white page which you can see right now, let me reduce it so that you can see the entire white page. This is the white page. This white page is the work area for you in Microsoft Word. Okay, work area means this is the place where you are actually going to work. All right, so in the next video I'll teach you how you can actually work in Microsoft Word using all the options. We will see them step by step so that you can even practice them easily. So that's all in this video. I hope you would have understood all the concept. Thank you so much for watching and keep practicing Microsoft Word. Bye and take care.